Yes, you hate running, you hate burpees, and every time someone says, just do more cardio, your soul leaves your body. Good news, you don't need cardio to burn belly fat. Bad news, you do need to work. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 4 exercises that force your body to burn fat without a treadmill, without long runs, and without wrecking your joints. Stay with me because the last one is the real secret. Here's the truth no one tells you. Belly fat doesn't disappear because you jogged for 30 minutes. It disappears when your body needs more energy than fat can keep up with. That happens when you use big muscles, high tension, and short rest. So, let's get into it. Exercise 1. Bodyweight squats. Simple, but deadly when done right. Go slow on the way down. Explode up like you're jumping through the ceiling. Why this works? Your legs are massive calorie-burning engines. The more muscle involved, the more fat your body has to give up. Do 15 to 20 reps. Exercise 2 push-ups. Push-ups aren't just for chest. Your core is fighting to keep you stable the entire time. If your abs aren't shaking, you're doing it wrong. No half reps. Chest to the floor. Lock out at the top, 10 to 15 reps. Quick one. And if this is already making sense, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments which exercise burns you the most. Exercise 3, mountain climbers. This is where the magic happens. Fast knees, tight core, no bouncing like you're panicking. This spikes your heart rate without traditional cardio and forces your abs to work under fatigue. Do these for 30 to 40 seconds. Exercise 4, plank holds. Most people plank wrong. Squeeze your glutes, pull your ribs down. Imagine dragging your elbows toward your toes. Your abs will light up, and when abs work under tension, fat loss follows. Hold 30 to 45 seconds. Put these together. No rest between exercises. Rest 60 seconds after the full round. Do 3 to 4 rounds. No running, no machines, just results. If you want the body, let's stop doing workouts you hate and start doing ones that actually work.